Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 13AQ laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 8 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected by a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. Take your new compatible battery and connect it in the same manner. Ensure it is securely attached to avoid any issues later on. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once the new battery is connected, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. After securing the back panel, turn your laptop over and power it on. You should see the battery indicator light up, confirming that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, once your laptop is powered on, check the battery status in the settings to ensure it is recognized and charging properly. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery in your HP 13AQ laptop. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.